So in the question we have velocity of bird is equal to 6 meter per second in the east direction and velocity of wind is equal to 8 meter per second in the north direction. We need to find velocity of bird with respect to wind. This is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. So velocity of bird is in this direction. We can also name it as positive x-axis. This is positive y-axis, this is negative x-axis and this is negative y-axis. So velocity of bird is in east direction and velocity of wind is in north direction. So when we represent that in vector form, so velocity of bird is equal to 6 I cap because it is in the positive x-axis and velocity of wind is equal to 8 j cap because it is in the positive y-axis. So we know velocity of bird with respect to wind is equal to velocity of bird minus velocity of wind. So that is velocity of bird is 6 I cap minus velocity of wind is 8 j cap. This is velocity of bird with respect to wind. Now we'll find its magnitude. That is, this is the velocity in x direction, this is velocity in y direction. So its magnitude is equal to velocity in x direction square plus velocity in y direction square. So this is 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So this is 100, root 100 is 10. So magnitude of velocity of bird with respect to wind is 10 meter per second, which is, so the option is D.